This is Monty with Country Living again. I was going to do some more reviews on my side-by-side. I've got a 2015 Yamaha Viking, and the control arms that I've actually put on the front to give it a more lift is off of a Yamaha Wolverine. The Yamaha Viking lower control arms, Pooty! The Yamaha lower control arms are straight, where a Wolverine is arched, and with a Wolverine R-Spec control arms, it actually gives you an 1.5 inch lift in the front. So factory, this thing only comes with 10-inch clearance in the front. I've got 27-inch tires. See, I've got 27-inch tires. And then with the 27-inch tires, with the control arm off of a Yamaha Wolverine, now I have 13-inch clearance in the front. And it goes over the creek, it goes over rocks, goes through the trails good. And I've got 13-inch clearance in the front. So super easy to install. The only thing you have to do is take off the castle nut. Well, take off your tire, undo the castle nut off the ball joint, then I'll undo the 2 bolts on the frame, let it drop, push it back up, install the new Wolverine control arms. And these are actually off of eBay. I got them off of eBay for $35 each. And if you go to parts store, get them, they're $75 each. So they're a lot cheaper than Super ATV. They're a lot cheaper than anywhere else you're going to get them. Just get them off the internet from eBay, $35 each, or get them off of from your local Yamaha or Partzilla or something like that, and you can actually get them for $75 each. Where if you go through Super ATV or anybody else that has control arms in the front, you'll wind up spending $200 for the set, and for the exact same thing. These hold up. I've hit rocks. See, there's a dent where it's scratched, and it still holds up fine. But these are off of a Yamaha Wolverine, and the problem with that is only certain year Yamaha Wolverines will work. 2019s will not. I purchased 2019s and try to get them to work. They will not work. It has to be 2018 and prior. R-Spec. Do not buy 2019 Wolverine control arms. They will not fit for a Yamaha unless you swap out everything, and it's not even worth trying and the hassle. Just go get 2018 and prior, and you'll be fine. The only one thing you'd have to do is just swap out the lower control arm, and that's it. Any comments or questions, please ask. I don't have a problem answering. Please like and subscribe. This is, again, Monty with Country Living.